Hi, I'm Federica Peterson, leadership expert, AMA faculty member, and published author. Creativity in business is essential for developing new products, improving processes, and so much more. But harnessing creativity for practical results, not as easy. So here are 4 creative abilities that you can seek out in people when you're focusing on creativity and innovative initiatives. The first one, fluency. Generating new ideas, also known as brainstorming. The more ideas you have, the more solutions you can come up with. The second, flexibility. Being able to think outside of the box. The more that we can stretch our imagination and push ourselves beyond what we know currently is going to be important when we're trying to come up with new ways of doing things. The third, originality. Coming up with brand new ideas is more difficult and rare than we realize. But the more that we can allow people to think freely in a safe environment, the more original ideas can flourish. So I highly recommend keeping your skeptics out of the room. And 4, elaboration. It's taking those abstract ideas and bringing them to a place of reality, where the details and the formation of something that's tangible can come to life. Finding the right combination of creative thinkers, people who can harness these for creative abilities, well, this is going to be a proven way to be able to ignite creativity and innovation in your business.